Shea plant, or in Tagalog, Makahiya plant. In today's video, let's talk about the benefits of shea plant, or in Tagalog, Makahiya plant. So without further ado, let's get started after the countdown. Health benefits of Makahiya plant, or in English, Stats Minute. Makahiya is a diffusely spreading half-woody herb with branched stem up to 1 meter long, sparingly prickly with numerous deflects, bristly hair. The leaves are very sensitive, both pinnae and leaflets folding when touched. Name in other language: Bicol, Turog-turog, Cambodia, Paklab, Sampias, Cebuano, Huya-huya, Kirong-kirong, Chinese, Hanshin Kao, Filipino, tuyag-tuyag, Hindi, Chuimoy, India, Lajja, Lajwati, lajwanti. Indonesia, Bojang Kajit, Dabin Kagat Kajit, Ilocos, Babain, Malaysia, Keman, Kembang Gajah, Sri Lanka, Dedinaro, Nidikumba, Tagalog, Makahiya. Tamil, Totakorongki, Thai, Bojang Kagit, May Rap, Vietnam, Mako. Name: sensitive plant. Scientific name: Mimosa pudica. Common name: Touchminat. Sensitive grass. Sensitive plant: Shemus, Shempe, Shemlide, Shemweed. Common sensitive plant: Shem plant, Tickle plant, Shea plant, Sleeping grass, Prayer plant. Makahiya plant offering numerous health benefits. The plant is believed to provide relief for asthma and is also considered antibacterial, analgesic, antidepressant, antivenom, anti-fertility, anticonvulsant, aphrodisiac, and among many others. The herb has been used traditionally for AIDS in the treatment of urogenital disorder, piles, dysentery, sinus, and also on wounds. Mimosa pudica is listed as non-toxic plant for humans on the University of California list of safe and poisonous garden plants. It is also listed as safe for humans and pets. The leaves of mimosa have the ability of displaying luminosity, touch-induced movement. In the sensitive plant, the leaves respond to being touched, shake, heated, or rapidly cooled. The speed of the response depends on the magnitude of the stimulus. For joint pain or arthritis, this plant also helps cure joint pain. For this, you have to make paste from the leaves of this plant and apply it on your joints. Leave it for the night and then wash it in the next morning. By doing this daily, you will notice the difference, as the swelling and pain from the joints will start to diminish. Treating insomnia and sleeplessness. To deal with insomnia or sleeplessness, take leaves of this plant, 5 grams, and crush them to make a paste. Boil this paste in hot water and strain. Take this during nighttime, and within 15 to 20 days, you will see the result. For treating asthma, prepare the juice of this plant, 15 ml, and drink it twice a day. This will help in treating asthma. To cure gum problems and toothache, you can gargle with a decoction made from the roots of this plant to maintain good oral hygiene and cure toothache. To cure itching, to get rid of the itchy skin, just make a paste from the root of the plant and apply it to the affected area. Or make a paste by extracting the juice of this plant and add sesame oil. The consistency of the paste should be such that the juice of this plant makes up to 3/4 of the paste. Apply this over the affected area. Fight hair loss. Mimosa pudica plant helps in the growth of new hair cells and helps to control hair loss and baldness. It is recommended to use herbal shampoos containing the extract of this plant. Treating fractures. This plant also helps to treat fractures of the bone. Simply make a paste of the leaves and apply on the affected area. For minor cuts and wounds, juice extracted by crushing a few leaves of this plant and applied on the wound will work wonders. This plant has healing properties through which the pain will diminish easily. For treating diabetes, low blood sugar levels is another benefit gained by drinking the juice of this plant. Drink 30 ml juice of this plant thoroughly morning and evening. Within 7 to 10 days, you will notice the difference in your blood sugar levels. For treating high blood pressure, take leaves of this plant and crush them to extract the juice. Consume 15 ml twice a day and say goodbye to your high blood pressure problems. For treating premature ejaculation, take the seeds of this plant and mix with equal quantities of sugar. At night, take 2 teaspoons of it with warm milk. For treatment of granular swelling in hydrocele, prepare a juice from the leaves of this plant and apply on the affected area for treatment of granular swelling in hydrocele. By doing this, the burning sensation and swelling will subside. To uplift sagging breasts, instead of going for expensive treatments and surgeries, simply prepare a piece of the sensitive plant and ashwagandha roots and apply this paste on the breast to uplift them. For treating stomach ache and intestinal worms, all you have to do is make a paste from the leaves of this plant. For 3 to 4 days, take this paste once a day mixed with honey. For treating snake bites, sensitive plant is proven to fight the venom of snakes as dangerous as the cobra. In a case of such emergencies, prepare a decoction of its roots, 10 grams in 400 ml of water and drink it twice a day. For treating insect bites, in a case of insect bites, grind the leaves and stem of this plant and apply on the affected area. Do this remedy twice a day. Antibacterial, anything that destroys bacteria or suppresses their growth or their ability to reproduce. Analgesic, acting to relieve pain. Analgesic, an analgesic drug. Asthma, it is a disease that affects your lungs. There are 3 types of asthma: allergic asthma, non-allergic asthma, cough-virant asthma. Antidepressants are medication used to treat major depressive disorder, some anxiety disorder, some chronic pain condition, and to help manage some addiction. Anti-fertility, capable of or tending to reproduce or destroy fertility. Anticonvulsants are the diverse group of pharmacological agents used in the treatment of epileptic seizures. Antivenom is a specific treatment to envenomation. It is composed of antibodies and used to treat certain venomous bites and stings. Aphrodisiac is a substance that increases sexual desire, sexual attraction, sexual pleasure, or sexual behavior. Urogenital disorders are problems that affect the urinary and genital tracts, reproductive organs. Piles, hemorrhoids are swollen veins in your lower rectum. Internal hemorrhoids are usually painless but tend to bleed. External hemorrhoids may cause pain. Dysentery is an infection of the intestine that causes diarrhea containing blood or mucus. Tigmonasty or sysmonasty is the nasty response of a specific functional reaction in organ or tissue. Decoction, the action of extracting the essence of something. The liquor resulting from concentrating the essence of a substance by heating or boiling, especially a medicinal preparation made from a plant. Stimulus, a thing or event that evokes a specific functional reaction in an organ or tissue. Sagging breasts are part of a change in breast appearance that most women experience, especially as they get older. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.